In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do email marketing automation on your membership website. Coming up. Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Mac, and in today's video we're going to be talking about email marketing automation for your membership website. So if you run a membership website, of course, you know it's going to be very difficult and challenging for you to send emails out manually. Now, how cool would it be if you can automate your emails as certain triggers are met? So in this video we're going to be going through that, but before I get started, I'd like to remind you that if you buy FluentCRM, which is our email marketing automation software, you will get a 20% discount, and also you will get my Automation Mastery course absolutely free. All you have to do is you let me know that you've bought it using my affiliate link via email, and you get automatic access to that. Secondly, if you buy WishList member, you also get access to my Membership Mastery course, which again teaches you how to set up membership website. All right, so without wasting a lot of time, let's dive in and let me show you how to set it all up. So over here, I've already gone ahead and installed FluentCRM. Now you need the Pro version, because the Pro version is what has all the integrations. So I've gone ahead and installed FluentCRM, and I've also installed WishList member. Now for this to work, you also need to set up your levels. So if I come over here to set up, you are going to notice that I've already gone ahead and set up my levels, and we have Mac, VIP, and free audio. All right, so let's go to FluentCRM now and set up our automations. So I'm going to click here on dashboard, and in fact, I could have just gone to automations there. Okay, anyway, we're going to come over here now to automations. And here on automations, we want to set up a brand new one. So once you install WishList member, it knows and it's already integrated here, which is fantastic. Now, let's take a look and see. In fact, before we do that, let's add our label first. So I'm going to call this okay, members. So if I select WishList member here, the trigger that we have is only works when a member is added to a specific membership level. So if I select this here, this funnel now will start when a member is added to a level, which is fantastic. So how is a member added to a level? Now, if you use WooCommerce or any other payment gateway out there, once someone pays and the process has gone through, they are now added to a membership level through the registration page. So this is where now you can set some emails to start going out based on which level they have signed up for. So let's click here and say continue. Okay, great. So right now, our subscriber here is going to be subscribed. That's great. Here is where now we choose our membership level. So if I click here, these are the membership levels, which I created earlier on in WishList member. So you can see here, there's VIP, Mac, and free audio. So I'm going to select VIP. And by the way, you can also select multiple membership levels, but I'm just going to stick to VIP here. Next, I'm going to click on Save Settings. So this is going to be our trigger. So basically here we're saying this automation is going to start when someone joins the VIP membership level. Next, I'm going to click here on this plus button. So I could say, okay, you know what? Immediately, I would like to send an email. But before I do that, I would like to add a tag. Now, this is very important because as soon as someone enters a membership level, if you tag them, that means in the future, if you want to send emails out, you can send emails out based on that tag. So that is fantastic. So I'm going to come over here to apply a tag. So I'm going to click here on this drop down because I'm not sure if I added a tag, and sure enough, I haven't got the tag. But the really cool thing here is you can click here on this plus button and then add your tag this way. Okay, so I'm going to click here on add. So now I have my tag all set. Click on Save Settings. Okay, so far when someone gets added to the VIP membership level, they're going to have a tag applied called VIP. And then next, we are going to send a custom email. So this one here could be a welcome email. And we could say hello at first name. And then we can add our email contents in here. Okay, so here, I've also made some tutorials on how to use this email builder. So you can check it out on my YouTube channel. But over here now, this is where you can decide what email you want to send out. So this could be an email, just like an onboarding email, or it could be an email just explaining the whole membership and how it works. And if you have any links that you need to link to, this is where you can do that. So great. So that's going to be our first email that gets sent out. And if you wanted to add some buttons, you can add some buttons or call to actions. So anyway, I'm going to hit save settings. Okay, so far a member gets added to a membership level. We apply a tag, and now we're going to send a custom email as soon as the tag is added. And this is a welcome email. Next, you can also choose what to do after that. So you can say, wait 1 day. I'm going to save that. Next, I'm going to say, okay, so perhaps maybe I want to tell them about another membership level that can give them even more benefits. So I can come over here, send custom email, and let's say upgrade. Okay, upgrade membership. And this could be, say, hello at first name. And this could be our offer for that upgrade. So again, this could also have a discount attached to it. So basically you can set your automation emails based on whatever you want. So now that I've set my email here, I'm going to come and click on save settings. Okay. Now there's also other steps you can add here. You can also add a specific sequence, or you can also remove them from the list once some action has happened, and also you can apply them to a list. So it just depends how complex you want your automation to be. And also, if you come over here to the benchmarks, you could also start an email sequence based on something that they do on the site. So let's say they buy or they purchase another membership level. This is where now you can say, okay, if an order is received, then do other actions. So it is very, very powerful. And this is how I would set up my automations in conjunction with WishList member. This idea is very powerful because you can imagine how difficult that would be if you try to automate all your emails manually as things are happening on your website. I can tell you ahead of time, it is impossible. Okay, it is impossible, especially when you start having 20, 30, 40, 100, 200 members. It is very hard to keep track of that. So using this email automation is very, very powerful. So check it out. The links to FluentCRM and WishList member, they're all in the video description below. And also they have some discounts, and specifically with WishList member, you also get access to my membership website mastery course, which teaches you how to set up your membership website. All right, so I hope that I've given you some ideas on how you can automate your emails using FluentCRM. Now, I've also moved all my emails from ConvertKit over to FluentCRM, and everything is running on my website. It's much, much cheaper. Last time I spent close to $99 with ConvertKit, but when I checked my bill for FluentCRM, it was only $1.52. So it's very, very powerful. I will be doing a lot of these tutorials on the channel to show you how to integrate all this, because I'm really fascinated and passionate about how to automate all these processes on your WordPress website. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. If you have any more questions, please let me know in the video description below. But you know what? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.